our video tutorial series. This section will start with a brief tour of our library. Part 2 will also contain videos that will begin to explain how to use our print materials. We will touch on digital materials briefly, but go into more detail on digital resources in Part 3. I encourage you all to visit our location so you can see our collection and meet our staff. We are located at 701 East Twig Street, Tampa. Our hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. We are closed Sundays and on holidays. Parking can be a challenge due to our downtown location. There is metered parking on the streets and several public pay lots in the downtown area. The Law Library is a branch of the Hillsborough County Public Library System. Our legal collection is reference only, but you will see our materials listed in the HCPLC catalog. Our branch website is located under Locations. There is also a legal research section under Learning and Research. We will cover more of this in Part 3, which will discuss our digital resources. Near our entrance, we have a self-checkout machine along with a small collection of fiction and nonfiction books. These items can be checked out with a public library card. Customers who work in our vicinity can also designate our location to pick up holds. Any library book checked out from a Hillsborough County Public Library can also be returned to our location. Since we do not have a book drop, returns can only be done during business hours. Our continuing legal education materials are in our small circulating section because they check out for 7 days at a time. Hillsborough County customers can also place holds to have these titles delivered to their nearest branch or select Borrow by Mail to have titles mailed to them. These are our stacks. Books here are organized by Library of Congress classification, which is what most law schools use for organizing print materials. General law is listed under KF, and Florida specific law is listed under KFF. We have included these shelf talkers to our large sets of materials to help explain how these resources can assist with legal research. We hope this will encourage customers to take items off the shelves and look through them. Most of the materials in our collection are treatises, which are secondary sources. These are books and sets of books that talk about specific areas of law. They often contain sample forms and citations relevant to case law. We do have primary source materials, such as the Florida statutes, which are the statutes created by our representatives in Tallahassee. We do have a case law section in print. Most of our case law is made available through the West Reporter system, published by Thomson Reuters West. At this location, most of the volumes of the West Reporter system are located digitally on Westlaw. Here's a picture of what the books in the Reporter system look like. These might look familiar as you may see volumes like these in the backgrounds of many legal movie and TV shows. The Reporters series prints many but not all upper-level court opinions. Think state and federal appellate and state and federal Supreme Court opinions. We also offer case law from the Florida Law Weekly service. We receive Florida Law Weekly Supplement, and Florida Law Weekly Federal. The supplement series covers some, but not all, opinions from county and trial courts. The State and Federal Law Weekly series covers some, but not all opinions that are not published in the West Reporters. Here we have our law review section. We have law reviews from law schools located in Florida. We also offer some Bar Association journals. We have a small reserved section behind the reference desk. These tend to be titles that are requested frequently. If you're interested in looking at any of these materials, please ask for assistance from the reference desk. This location does provide 2 Westlaw terminals and 4 internet terminals. Customers can use these computers by signing in with their library card and PIN. We can also provide guest passes if the customer does not have a library card. Customers can access a computer an hour at a time. If computers are busy, additional hours may not be consecutive, and customers may need to make a reservation at the reservation station. We do also offer Westlaw at Bloomingdale Regional Library and the Jimmy B. Keel Regional Library. We also just began recently offering remote access Westlaw as well. We have a multi-function machine that scans, copies, and prints. Customers can scan for free, but they must bring their own flash drive. Customers can copy in black and white and color. Customers can print via wireless or from our computer terminals. Black and white copies and prints are 5 cents per page, and color prints and copies are 10 cents per page. The machine is cash only and will accept $1 bills, $5 bills, quarters, dimes, and nickels. This concludes our tour. We hope to see you soon. The next video, we will begin to work our way through the print collection here at the Law Library and use a research problem to highlight some of the services we offer.